Speaking skill. Asking for and giving clarification. A. Page 58. 1.
So you need to make sure the success you're aiming for is achievable.
Sorry, I don't get what you mean.
What I'm trying to say is be realistic with the goals you set for yourself.
2.
Success in one area can bring problems in others.
What do you mean exactly?
Well, to give you an example, someone can be at the top of her career, but her family life might be in crisis as a result.
3.
Keep your desire for success in proportion.
Do you think you could say a bit more about that?
Yes, I mean, don't let your desire for success become greater than other important areas in your life.
4.
Our definition of success alters with age.
Can you give an example, please?
Sure. Someone of 20 might view success as being rich, but at 50, that same person might think of success as a happy family life.